Happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove press-on toenails that were applied with nail glue. In particular, I used the BTArtBox press-on toenails and their press-on glue. If y'all want to see the full application video, I am going to link that down in the description box below so you guys can see how to properly apply them to get this 6 to 7 weeks of wear. Okay, I have had these on for 6 to 7 weeks, and I have done update videos on this. This is what the right toe is looking like. As I mentioned in my last video, this one popped off a week ago, this one popped off just yesterday, and on this toe, mainly this one popped off. This one I stubbed it and it kind of popped off, so I put them back on. But overall, 6 to 7 weeks of wear. It's great. And the only reason I think the middle toe popped off, or the third toe popped off on both toes, is because that toenail grows up instead of, it grows like up instead of straight. And so yeah, I'm going to show you guys really quick though. I wanted to do a dedicated removal video in case y'all are curious about how to remove them. And the product I'm going to be using is this 2-ing nail debonder. I found that this is really great to use when you're removing any type of press-ons or nail enhancements. So I'm going to just take some inside of this little dropper here. I'm running pretty low on it. Oh, I might actually be out. Oh yeah, I think I am. Okay. I'm all out of it. Sad face. I do have a backup, but I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the cuticle area of the toe. Yeah, I'm out. Oh man. Okay. Let me go ahead and get my backup. Actually, I'm going to use a new one now that I'm thinking about it. I actually have a different nail debonder, and this one is called Nail Pop. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. I haven't even used this one yet. Let's see how this one works, because I got 2 of these as well. Alright, so I'll take my dropper here. Yeah, there we go. Put some in here. And then I'm going to just apply the nail debonder at the cuticle area of all the toenails. Just making sure it's good and saturated. I'm assuming it'll work the same as the other one, but you'll want to saturate just all the cuticles of all of the press-on toenails. I don't think I'm going to have an issue getting these off. But yeah, just put it on and let it sit for a little bit. And then I'm going to use a cuticle pusher, cuticle stick to remove them from the toes. And so I'll go ahead and start that on this big toe here. And I'm just going to slightly apply it underneath and get it up a little bit. And I'm just going to apply a little bit more of that debonder. Make sure it's in that nail bed, fully saturated, so that the nails can pop right on off. Okay. Do that one more time over here. Let that sit. I'm going to try the next nail here, see if that's gotten any loose. Yep, it did. Popped right off. That's perfect. Okay. See if this one's loose. Not much. Oh, yep, there it is. Popped right off. Perfect. Okay. Let's do the third toe here. These should pop off pretty easily because, like I said, they've been on for a while. That one popped right off. Let's see this one here. Oops. Okay. See if I can get my pinky toe off here. Just kind of slip. Oh, that popped off too? Yep, that was off. Okay, so good. This nail debonder works just as good as the other one. And let me get a little bit more of this solution in here to see if this one will pop off just as easily. And it's looking like it will. Looks like that toenail broke just a little bit, which is kind of weird because let's see. It's acting like it doesn't want to come off, so I'll put just a little bit more of that solution here. You just want to put as much as you need to get the toenails off, okay? Alrighty. Alright, so that popped off. And I did tear a little bit of my toenails off doing that on 2 toes. This one was already kind of fragile. And I don't know what's up with this middle toe, but it just keeps being really loose to remove. So, but I also, like I said, I just reapplied that one yesterday, so that might be why. It was a little strong, but I'm also just planning on clipping my toenails down anyway because I'm gonna apply another set of press-on toenails. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Just clip them on down while I'm here. Perfect. Perfect. So that's the toenails at this point. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove my press-on toenails from this toe as well, this foot as well. So I'm going to do just like I did on the other foot, where I'm just going to saturate that toenail with nail glue. I mean the nail debonder. And this one these nails should pop off super easy because these are all really old. So it shouldn't have any issue. I just let it set for like a minute or so. Okay. And I'll start with the little, this toe right here. Okay, yeah, look, that popped right off, okay? This is how they're supposed to pop off. Like I said, the other toe I had reapplied a few of the nails. So it really should just pop off just like this. Do the side. I don't know why that big toe breaking on both toenails. But yeah, you do the side. You do the side. Yep. So I had it on there really good, eh? And just a little bit more here. Like so. There we go. Forced that one off a little bit, but there we go. So the toenails are removed, and then I'm gonna go in with my nail clipper here. Clip the toenails down like so. Alrighty, so this is what the toes are looking like after both sets of press-ons have been removed. I did go ahead and just buff the surface of the toenails, and then I just add some cuticle oil to all the toes. And so yeah, I have a fresh set of toes ready to do my next set of press-on toenails. I think I'm gonna film it. I haven't decided yet if I want to do a gel mani or another set of press-on toenails. I think I'm gonna do the press-on toenails because of the easy application. But hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Have you all tried press-on toenails or not? And yeah, I highly recommend the BTArtBox press-on nail system. I will link all the products that I use in the description box below. Let me know what you all feel about me doing press-on toenail videos. Do you all want this to be a regular on my channel, or can you do without? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. I'd be happy to film my pedicure sessions and share them with you all. So just, yeah, let me know down in the description box below how you all feel about pedicure videos. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around and join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.